Cicadas. Cicadas are in the woods. Bilbo's listening to the cicadas. It's summertime. The cicadas are in the woods. They're making noise. Cicadas. They're buzzing on the trees. The summer bugs, the lightning bugs are out. The mosquitoes and the cicadas are out. Cicadas. Cicadas. They're chirping. They're making noise. Cicadas at night. You can hear them. They're loud. They're loud. Cicadas. They're buzzing. They're buzzing, the cicadas. Buzz, 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 cicadas. We're out for the summer. They're loud. Bilbo's saying, knock that off. Pow! He shoots a gun at him. But the cicadas be quiet. Bucktooth throws a rock at the tree. Knock it off, you butt munches, cicadas. One Tooth and Bucktooth say, cicadas. Cicadas.